Our patients and their families are the central pillar of our organization. The Erie St. Clair CCAC has adopted the Patient and Family-Centered Care Framework, and over the last year, we've made tremendous strides in ensuring that our patients are not only receiving high-quality, safe, and consistent health care, we're collaborating with them, and we're making sure that they're involved in their care. We have successfully recruited 30 patient advisors who are helping us incorporate the patient and family perspective into our decision-making. This includes having patient advisors sit on every council, committee, and working group that we have, taking part in the hiring process by completing telephone screening with candidates, as well as attending in-person interviews. The patient advisors also speak with new staff during our orientation sessions.
Patient advisors will look at the different aspects of what CCAC does and try and make them better and more related to what the patient's needs are.
We're also helping CCAC communicate with patients who have special accessibility needs. We're working towards having all materials available in a variety of formats upon request.
We are working more diligently than ever in helping patients with their questions or concerns. Between myself and our patient relations specialist, we have engaged over 350 patients in the last year to ensure that any issues that they have are being heard and addressed. And we're bringing the patient family-centered care message to the community. We've attended more than 50 public events and speaking engagements to ensure that as many people as possible understand that our patient-centered focus and services are available through our CCAC.
I am committed to putting patients first.
I am committed to putting patients first.
Our CCAC is committed to putting patients first.